Hello. In this video, I want to show you how to append two SAS datasets vertically. My first dataset, Mansfield High, contains 4 variables: student ID, name, gender, and health status. While my second dataset, McCormick High, has 5 variables: student ID, first name, last name, gender, and health status. Now, my task is to append McCormick High onto Mansfield High to generate a new dataset on High. Now, let me run the code and see what I can get. The results here are a little bit disappointing, since my first dataset has 4 variables, while my second one has 5. In addition, my first one only got a name, which contains full name of a student, while my second one has first name and last name separately. How can I manipulate the data so that I can append the second one onto the first one properly? I have 2 methods. First, I can split my first data set in the name variable so that I will have a first name, a last name. Or I can concatenate my first name and last name in the second data set to create a new variable, name. I'm going to show you the first method. Now, if you're interested, you're more than welcome to try the second one. Now, here's my first name, new variable. Since I have a comma to delimit my first name from the last, I need to find the location of that comma. And then from that comma to the end of the string will be my first name, or the comma plus 1 to the end of my string will be my first name. So I'm going to use substring, find, and length string functions. Similarly, I will find out my last name with substring, find functions. Now, after this manipulation, I put my data onto a new data set called Mansfield High 1, and I drop the name. And let me run this again. Now I successfully appended the second data set onto the first one. Next, I'm going to use this proc append to do the same thing. Now, in order to use this procedure, I have to establish a base data set, and then I can append McCormick High data set onto this base data set. Okay, now I copy Mansfield High 1 to all High 2 as my base data set, and then I'm going to run this proc append to get the results. Okay, here we go. I just successfully appended the second data set onto the first one again. Now, my final method is to use proc SQL along with a union. And I got an error. Why? Let's find out. Here is my proc contents and their results here. Now I can see student ID for the first data set is at position 1, while at position 3 for the second data set. That's the problem. If we try to union both data sets, we have to have the variable positions properly aligned. And we can force that. How? Add this keyword core next to union. And then we run the same thing again. Ring the bell. Now I'm just successfully appended the second SAS data set onto the first one. Thank you for watching. If you like our presentation, please subscribe to our channel for other videos.